Hey, what's going on, everyone? Your coach, Trev Bucheri here. Hope you're having a great morning so far today. And today we're talking about give to yourself in order to give to others. And we are in the holiday season here, and this is the season for giving, right? The season about others. My question is that how can we best give to others if we're not in a place where we are taking care of ourselves, right? So I'm 100% convinced, and I know that you will be too, once you practice it, by doing something for yourself is gonna light you up to the point where you're gonna be able to give to others in a much, much higher level than you could otherwise. So in essence, if you're unsatisfied in terms of you're not taking care of yourself, it's something that you wanted to do for yourself or get for yourself or earn for yourself or whatever it may be, and you haven't done that and you're just giving to other people, are you going to be truly as inspired as if you're receiving for yourself? Now, in order to receive, of course we need to give, but at the same time, we also deserve to receive. And I think that many of us actually struggle with receiving. We struggle actually with receiving anything. Many of us feel guilty about that. But the truth of the matter is that when we receive, whether it be love or something physical or whatever it may be, when we're taking care of ourselves and we're receiving that care, even from ourselves through self-love, whatever it may be, we get lit up, we get inspired, and we get rejuvenated. And when we're rejuvenated, we're lit up, and when we're inspired, we're better able to serve others, we're better able to give. We become a better version of ourselves. And that is the key takeaway right there. If we're truly committed to service, then we also deserve and need to receive ourselves. We need to take care of ourselves as well, because again, that puts us in a much better position to be able to give back at a much higher level. So hope you got a ton out of this today, and the key here is application. Take this and apply it right away. If there's something that's been on the back burner you've wanted to do for yourself, let's take care of it right away, and you will see the residual effects in your actions that you're gonna be able to give and contribute towards others. So again, your coach Trev Bucheri here. Hope you got a ton today. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. You have an incredible rest of your day.